Next, we'll demonstrate pattern S2. You can see some patterns are already embroidered, while some are not. Now let's demonstrate these unfinished parts. First, we'll demonstrate the straight stitch, used for outlines, filling, and decoration. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 7. Stitch from left to right. First, bring up on the left side, insert at the line's end. Then bring up from above. Insert at the bottom end. Bring up on the left. Insert on the right. Following the straight stitch method, stitch along the line's direction. Insert. Then tie off on the back. Pass the needle under the stitches just made. Wrap the thread twice around the needle. Hold the wrapped area with your finger. Pull the thread up. The back knot is complete. Cut off the excess thread. Now let's look at this pattern below. It also uses the straight stitch, evolved from its basic form. It's also a fundamental stitch. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 4. Bring up at the upper left. Insert at its end. Then bring up from below. Insert at the line's end. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches straight. Maintain even spacing for beautiful lines. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at this pattern below. It also uses the straight stitch. Compared to the 2 above, this pattern looks a bit more complex, but it's also evolved from the basic pattern above. Let me demonstrate. Using 3 strands of color number 5. First stitch across, then stitch the lines beside it. This part uses the same method as above. Stitch according to line length and direction. Keep stitches in straight lines. This creates a beautiful pattern. Insert the last stitch. Let's look at the finished result.